Welcome to Fruity Kids TV. Are you ready to learn?
Let's sing a phonics song.
E is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for jelly, jelly. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, for violin. W is for whale. X is for sign of ball. Y is for yo-yo, yo. Z is for zebra, that's a zebra. Sing the sounds, sing along. Phonics helps us grow so strong. A to Z we've learned today. Let's sing and smile every day.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Fruity Kids TV. Bye-bye!